Hi everyone, I'm Francis here. Welcome to my presentation today. Remote working has become a major phenomenon post-COVID lockdown. Today I'm going to present to you an app that allows remote workers to connect with each other through chatting and organizing events. So I've created an account. Let me just sign in. Here you can see my profile, my photos, and I can then edit my profile. So let me just change my age, and then I can also upload a photo. And that's my photo updated. Let me just save the profile and go to preview my profile, and here you can see, there you go, preview of my profile and also my details here. So now I want to find some remoteers to hang out with. So let me go to the dashboard. So I can see that there are quite a few remoteers nearby who are available to hang out. Also, I can see that I have 2 friends here. There is also a section for events. Let me now go to Hangouts. Here are all the remoteers nearby which are available to hang out, and they are sorted by distance from me. So I can see, for example, Fabian is 1 meter away and Jade is 10 meters away. And also I can view their profile. I can also add them as friends. So let me just add a couple of them. Tommy, and let me go to my dashboard, and here you go. The friends have been added to the list. And of course I can also chat with them. Let me chat with Lydia. Hi Lydia. And you can see here the message is rendered. So once I've created a chat room with Lydia, this will show here, and you can see the chat is available here. If I want to delete the chat room, I can just long press on the chat bar and it will be deleted. And there you go, that's what the app is about. This app is created using React Native, Expo, TailwindCSS for styling, Formik for form validation, Firebase for server and database, and Typescript. Thank you everyone.